I want to make this work for me. I just feel like this is the opening to my independence. Like, not having to ask you, oh, Frank.
Like, no joke. Ever since I was a kid,
you have
there's certain places where you can scratch on my head where you can make me sneeze. It's like a nerve end.
He took his passion and turned it into a business. Frank owns 6 gyms total, 3 of which I'm partners with him. But this new gym Frank isn't involved in. I invested my own money from the divorce settlement. It's time for me to be my own boss.
Listen to me. Just go with it.
Well, not my nose, my head.
Don't be complacent, and you'll do fine. And then you give it to your kids.
Oh, there you go. You get it just right there. Oh, like that. Not that hard though.
Without Frank behind me.
You almost got it.
Nervous, but at 45, I'm finally getting out of that comfort zone.
When are you coming to the gym so we can work out?
I haven't gone this long without working out.
Try and make me sneeze by rubbing it.
I know it. Nobody has this time with this kid.
You still have abs? Of course.
Let's see.
You're a little bit sore from yesterday. So.
Hard. I know I'll do it.
Frank, your nipples are pretty hard.
Always hard.
Frank, get over yourself. You excited? You're gonna walk.
I don't know. I guess it don't happen in the evening.
You're gonna walk on Thursday, but today we're doing the fitness.
You gonna try when it's sunny out?
Yeah, that's when it happens. I'm not joking.
What we're going to do today is we're going to do fitting for the show, and then we're going to do like a little rehearsal of dance.
It's comical, like, right? I'd be like this here.
What if I shine the light right in your face?
Take your shoes off. Oh, I love the vest. It's so cute. No, you're looking fresh.
No, you gotta be looking at the light when I scratch your head.
That don't work.
Well, you don't know if you keep blocking it.
How's that fucking logical?
Look at the bright light.
But fashion is something that I wouldn't miss for the world. Joey, what happens when Daddy drives you to school?
It's not the light, it's the heat.
All right, guys.
So you need to like be sucking on my ear or something.
Did you invite everybody to come?
Because that's what the sunlight does. I'm out there, it sucks on my ear.
To be honest, I'll feel like we're super close when I can start telling her, like, I don't agree.
Is the crotch hot?
Don't ruin it.
What? No, it feels good. Don't stop. Don't fucking pause it.
I don't think there's any secrets as to how fragile the relationship
Don't ruin it.
between Joe and Teresa or Teresa and I. Alright, stay, don't go till I tell you. Wait, stay there. And I just hope that we can continue to move forward. Okay, Joey, let's go. Start it. Yeah! Excellent, now go back. Okay, Gino, do a pose. Great. Yeah, there you go. Good. That's it. They did great.
Not fucking working.
Look at a bald spot.
Yeah. Want me to dye my hair fucking black or brown?